Okay, just wait for a while, Shafia. Let me get the rest, okay? Hold on, Shafia. Let me get the rest to join. Okay, no results here. Okay. Okay, while we wait for. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. While we wait for the rest to join, I'm going to give you some questions, okay, to do right now while we are waiting for the rest. Just a moment, eh? Is that how you is that? Okay. Is that can you hear me? Can. You okay, is that? Okay, we just hold on. Where is okay, we will try one. Hold on. Okay. Can we try to find the perimeter of this? The perimeter first. What is the perimeter of this figure? Shaded figure. Anyone? Shafia. Also, try. Shafia, why I cannot see your face, Shafia? Shafia, are you there? Not there. Shafia, are you there, Shafia? Paging for Miss Shafia, are you there? Over. Come, Izzat, come, you try this one. Izzat, you got your answer, eh? We want to find the perimeter. The perimeter. You know how to do, right, Izzat? Izzat, you know how to do? Okay, you try. Find the perimeter. Shafia, I cannot see you, Shafia. Well, good attempt, Mr. Izzat. I think you're almost there. Almost there. Okay, if you can do it, okay, never mind. We'll check our answers in a moment. Can you find the area, Izzat? Area. Shafia also. We find the area also. First, you try and find the perimeter first. Okay, what about Miss Shafia? Okay. Hello, Myra. We are trying to find a perimeter here, okay? Can you find a perimeter before we start on a new topic?
What is the new topic?
RATE.
Rate.
Rate, yes. Okay, your area is correct, is that? Your perimeter is the one that has a mistake. Shafia, what are you doing, Shafia? I cannot see you, Shafia. I will remove you from the group. You put your video down, please. Why? I can only see your forehead. I know you got very nice forehead. Why you make show me all the clothes for? Put it down to your face. Okay, try to do this. I do not know what are you doing now. Okay, very simple to do this. Very simple. We want to find the area and perimeter. Come on, come on, come on, girls and boy. Izzat has gotten one of the answer correct. It's the other answer that is not so correct. I will show you a fast way very soon. Fast way of doing it. An easy way of doing this. Okay, so you can do the fast way if you want.
Selina not coming.
I don't know. I already messaged the mom. Maybe they have overslept. It's a nice time to sleep because it's raining and whatnot. Is it raining at your place? No. I thought you'd be the first to arrive here, Omara.
My best friend was here, and then my brother wanted to fight with me because yesterday he went to my auntie's house. So my mother said if he goes to my auntie's house, I can have strawberry shortcake all for myself. But then
Wow.
my mother said I must share.
So you had strawberry shortcake.
No, it's here with me.
Is a real shortcake or is it the toy?
Here.
Oh no. Making us wow. Allah Akbar. Hey, you're making us hungry, lah, you. Why you are so cruel? Izzat, you feel hungry, no, Izzat, by this? But Izzat's mom can make all this nice kuih, you know. Okay.
My auntie can also make kuih.
Kuih, eh? Okay, come on. Let us try. I think Shafia is not paying attention. Shafia, what is she doing? Shafia, come on. Okay, I show you how to find the area first, okay? Area first, you try to look at this. Can you see this thing here? Like that. Area, you find the whole rectangle. You must give me the answer, Amara. Don't ask me to calculate. You find the whole rectangle. What's the whole rectangle area? Then you minus A and minus B. Is that how you did it? Is that you did it like that? Yes, right? You find the whole rectangle. What's the whole rectangle? There's 5 here for the breadth. The length is 14 plus 6 plus 5, 25. 25 times 5, you get the area of the whole thing, which is 125 square meters. Then you minus A. What is A? Well, this is 3. This one must be how much? 2 lah, because this one is 5 what? So 9 times 2, you get 18. You must minus 18 from here. And then 3 times 6, 18 or so. So your answer, you must minus 18, minus 18, and Izzat is correct. The answer is 8.
These 2 parts doesn't count.
Yeah, if you want to find the area.
Wait.
Yeah, these 2 parts don't count. So you bend it like that lah. Don't count. So you find first of all, you find, can you see this one? You can see what I'm showing, right? You find the whole rectangle. Then you minus off here, and you minus off here. Then you get like that. So you will get 89. Okay, that's one method. Okay, you can do another method. What other method? Okay, I'll show you another method. This girl is enjoying her strawberry shortcake now.
I just noticed that there's only 3 people.
Yeah, making us hungry. Now you can find also another way is you can see this one. We can call this A. You find 9 times 3, 27. You can find this one first. Then after that, you find B. B is like that. Like that. This is B. You find out how much it is, if possible. If possible. Is it possible? Let us see. We can. Okay. If not, if you can't find it, we can also find it the other way. You can find B like hold on, can we find how much this is? 9, 14. Okay, this is 5. And this is 5. So 5 times 5, right? 25. So you can find B down here. And then you can find C. C is how much? 6 times down here is how much? You say 3. So this one must be 2 lah. 6 times 2, 12. The last one, 5 times 5 is D. 25. So 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 27, 77 plus 12, 89. You can do it this way also. Up to you. But now perimeter. So far, what's the perimeter? Okay, I'm going to remove this. You tell me what's the perimeter. Come on. Shortcut girl and what is that Shafia doing? Very suspicious. Hey, Shafia, what's the answer, Shafia? What's the answer? She's frowning. She said, don't shout at me. Shafia, what's the answer, Shafia? Shafia, perimeter. I so feel jealous of Umaira. She's always eating like that. Okay. Don't be tempted lah, be puasa one woman. Come on. What is the perimeter?
I also puasa.
You puasa by eating now lah. Okay. Let us do a shortcut way if you want to. This whole length, 1, 2, 3, is the same as this length. Isn't it true? Do you agree? This whole length is the same as this whole length. So what is the length? Very simple. The length is 25. 14 plus 6 plus 5, 25. 16 plus 9 is 25. So you got 125 here, another 25 here. Okay. Another 25 here. Before we start rate, actually, this question is, and down here is 5. This one is also 5 down here, and this one is also 5. So you take 25 plus 25 plus 5 plus 5. You already get 100 and, sorry, not 110, 60. You already get 60. And you got so many parts covered, you know. This part is covered. 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 What is not covered? I show you what is not covered. I will do it in green. The part that is not covered is here. 1 and 2. So this is 3. You plus 3 plus 3 is that you get 6. 66, not 65. You just missed it by 1. Can you see now? Is that what I do? This plus this plus this is 25. This plus this is 25. This plus this is 5. Now here is 5. When you add all of them, you already get 60. But these 2 green things we have not added. So we add them and we get 66. Okay, we are moving on now to rate. I hope it's okay for you. Focus, Umaira, focus. I don't know whether she's focusing or not. She is focusing, but on her strawberry cake. All right. Rate means we are comparing 2 items. Down here, we are comparing the cost of carpeting a room, but I won't give this example. Otherwise, Shafia will say, I've done this already. Okay, she also have done this, but let's try this. Now we're going to compare the amount of petrol, 1 liter of petrol, with the distance that the car can travel. So if you see the word per means what? Means 1 liter. Myra, per. Can you see per now? Per is 1 person. Myra, how much do you pay for your per bird? Myra has so many birds, you see. So if I ask her for per bird, it means how much, Myra? Per bird, how much do you buy per bird? Don't know.
He gave me, and then one of them we bought.
But how much is it? Don't know. Yeah, never mind. All right. So per means 1. Down here means 1. Okay. So we want to find in 1 liter of petrol, how much can it cost the car to travel? Can you find out? 25 liters, 280. You can use your calculator. You can use your calculator. Please get your calculator if you do not have. What is 1 liter? 25 liters of petrol causes a car to travel 280 km. What about 1 liter? Can we find, please? Very quickly, come on. Myra, come on, Myra. If you get this right, I get you another bird. Because you say you want another bird anymore. You want to give it away, right? Come. Shafia, I cannot see your face, Shafia. Where are you going, Shafia? Just yesterday, I stopped one of the classes because the students were not paying attention. And then one of them playing the video. Izzat, well done. Izzat has gotten it correct. But the two girls have not done it. So let us see whether the two girls can do it. Izzat, just give them a moment. Izzat, you can do the next question, which is question number 1. Okay? You do question number 1. We are waiting for the girls to do question number 2. Girls, please do question number 2. Come on, girls. Shafia, you say you have done this. Okay. Please show us how to do it. Again, 25 liters, 280 km. Miss Umaira, what are you doing, Umaira? Come on, do this one, Umaira. Use your calculator. Well, you got the answer also. Let's see. Izzat is very fast. Congratulations, Izzat. Well done. Hey, girls, the boy, this boy, my name Izzat, he's completed everything already. While you are chewing your strawberry shortcake, he finished both questions. You have not even started. And Shafia, she's looking there, looking here, looking there. Come. She's looking up again, looking down. Come on, Shafia. Okay, very simple. 25 liters, 280 km. How to find 1 liter? Just take 280 divided by 25 lah. I show you again. Umaira, you must write this down like that. 225 liters of petrol will cause the car to travel 480 km. 1 liter, you divide by 25, that's all. So you can use your calculator, you will get what? 11.2. 11.2 km. That means every liter of petrol will help the car move for 11.2 km. Okay, we move on to the others. So remember, rate is comparison between two items. Okay. Down here. Hold on. We move on to this one. Typing words. Rani types 75 words in 5 minutes. So what is her speed of typing per minute? Come on. Miss Umaira, what are you doing, Umaira? Umaira, are you doing this? No. She's doing something, but do not know what she's doing. Okay, I will screen record them. Then we screen record, focus on all the students. Where is how to screen record? Come on, question number 4, come on. Oh, someone is coming in. Akil is coming in, okay. Sheikh Akil, And, well, Izzat, so sorry, I don't, Izzat, well done. Izzat got it right. Okay, Sheikh Akil, we are doing, Sheikh Akil, can you hear me? We are doing rate, let me see. Okay, no, that means Shafia did not read carefully. Is it possible, Shafia? This one now, they are saying 1 per means what? Per means 1. 1 minute. Now you are saying 5 minutes she can, 5 minutes, she can type 75 words. 1 minute, 300 plus. Cannot lah. You must divide. Divide by 5, no times by 5. 75 divided by 5. And then we get what? 15 words. Okay? 15 words. Umaira, what are you doing, Umaira? Umaira is not doing the work. She's pretending only to do work. She's doing other things actually. She thinks I don't know. Look, from your reaction, I know whether you're focusing or not. That's why I keep calling the students. Okay, photocopier can copy 45 pages in 3 minutes. What is the rate of photocopying? How many pages can it photocopy in 1 minute? Per minute means 1 minute. Come on, you can use your calculator for this. Huh? You can use a calculator for this. Come on, come on. And Shafia, don't say you go in times 3. You don't know. 1 minute is shorter, it cannot be more. Well done, Izzat. Okay, Izzat seems to be on the straight road. Huh? Well done, Shafia. What about Umaira? Umaira, come on, Umaira. Umaira not doing her work. Umaira. Umaira, how to do this one? Come on, Umaira. Umaira just left and come back in. Aduh. Okay, never mind. Okay. Shalina is coming in. Okay, well done. Okay, so I just give a short introduction again. Okay, Shalina, are you here, Shalina? Okay, Shalina, can you hear me? Come, turn on your videos. Shakil, Umaira, and all. Okay, we are doing a new topic today. This new topic, Shalina, because you are the newest person to come in, is called rate. R-A-T-E. Rate is a comparison between two items. Okay, in question number 1 or question number 2, we did liter of petrol with the distance travel. You put in petrol in the car, what's the distance it can travel? Rate means they want to check normally in per something. Per means what? Can you see the word per? Shalina and the rest. Per means 1. So in this case, 1 liter. They want to know 1 liter, it can cost to travel to how far. For example, Umaira's car, what car are your dad driving?
Mitsubishi.
Mitsubishi. So you ask your dad. That's the refrigerator or the fan. But okay, let me 1 liter. Then you ask your dad, 1 liter of petrol, how many km can the car travel? That is rate. That is rate. This is rate. So this is what we are doing. It's not only with petrol and kilometers. Okay, it's other things also. Let's see, what other things? Down here, we deal with typing. Rani, how many words can she type in 1 minute? Per minute means 1 minute, how many can she type? That's also rate. So normally it's a comparison. Comparison of what? Between Mazda. Wow, your dad drive Mazda. And is it 15 km per petrol? Per liter? 15, is that? Don't know. I thought you're at 15. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, last time I drove a Hyundai Accent, it was less than 10. I think maybe 9, maybe, or it's the way I drive, I'm not too sure. Okay, come. We will try now this one now. Okay. They want to know what's the rate of payment. This is like salary, You work for $87, for 6 hours is $87. What's the rate of payment per hour? You can use your calculator. Use your calculator, please. And go.
Can it divide or time?
1, you want 1. 6 hours, 80, you must divide now. Because you want to find 1. Right? If you times, then the number will be so big. What is this? 1450. Is the rate of the petrol, is it? Or this one? This one. Petrol. Petrol, wow, it's very good, Petrol, 14.5. Ew. Not petrol, Question number 6. I thought you were telling me the petrol is that. Mazda, I think, is a guzzler. That means it takes a lot of petrol. But let us see. What about the rest? Shafia has given the same answer. What about Shalina? Shalina, you know what we are doing? Are you okay? Shalina, when you were not here, your best friend, searching for you. She was very sad, and she had to cheer herself up by eating a strawberry shortcake. Now she's running away. Okay, well done, Shalina. See, Shalina just come in. Her focus is very good. This is one thing good about Shalina and Izzat. Both of them very focused on doing the work. Alhamdulillah. So now down here, 6 hours, $87. So if your boss, you have a boss says, I pay you $87 for 6 hours, good. Say, boss, how much am I paid for 1 hour? Make sure you divide. You don't times. You must divide by 6. And you get $14.50. Well done. Okay. $14.50, is it expensive or cheap? Will you only work 1 hour, 14.50? Will work? No, you won't work. You want higher salary. Shafia says, no, I eat also, I won't. You pay me the amount for eating also, I won't eat. Aduh. Okay lah. GD, are you there? Are you there, GD? Are you good not, GD? This one now. This is now price of per ticket. It's rather easy now. We're going to go to more difficult ones very soon. So you need to master this. So we hope that Miss Umaira, aka Princess of Al Muntaha, is able to do this. Come on. Said, don't call me that. Don't know why she's looking at. Come on, come on, come on. You can use your calculator. Izzat, let us see. Izzat is the first one to give the thing. Well done, Izzat. Congratulations. You win yourself a prize. Do you collect all your previous prizes? Did not? You didn't ask your mother for the prizes? Your mother didn't help you? You have asked every time you get collect, your mom will help you. Shafia, well done, Shafia. Congratulations. Okay. Get a hug from your sister. Your sister is very good. Huh? Sister really jaga you, no? Ask me about the tuition time and all that. That's good. What about the rest? Shalina, well done. Shalina, well done. Umaira, we're waiting for you, Umaira. And Sheikh Akil, come on, come on, come on, come on. Very simple, very simple. All right, here we go. Here we go. How is it? 10 tickets. I put T for tickets, okay? It's $105. You want to find per ticket. Per ticket means what? One ticket. One ticket is how much? 105 divided by 10. See how to divide. Shift the decimal place. If you're not using calculator, shift one decimal place. 10.5. 10.5 is $10.50. Very cheap, very cheap, very cheap. Okay. All right, we move on to the next one. We are getting to tougher and tougher questions. Okay. Now hold on. Down here. A factory can produce 2,865 chairs in 5 days. How many chairs can it produce in 1 day? How many chairs can it produce in 11 days? Please try it. Please try it. Come on. Okay, let's see. Someone has sent an answer already, very fast. Wow. Syok lah. Buy already. You buy already. Do that. Beli already. Wow. I only buy the cheap one. Well done, Umaira. Well done, Umaira. Congratulations. Yes. Oh, you've done this. Okay, great. Shafia, well done. What about Izzat, yourself? Izzat is going to eat durian. Hey, Umaira, you made him jealous. You're going to eat durian now. Do you like durian now?
I got 2 bottles of durian downstairs.
Oh, yo, this girl got everything. Is it for the birds or for human beings? Durian. For human beings. Okay. All right. I got no money to buy durian. I can only eat the skin. Okay, come. Here we go. Very simple. Let us see. Shalina, is your answer in? Come on, Shalina. Where's your answer? Sheikh Akil. Come on, Sheikh Akil. Okay, very easy. Umaira, well done for 11 days. You see, Umaira, you put your mind to it. You are able to do it. Now we're waiting for Shafia. Where is Shafia now? She's hiding now. I will have to ask the kakak. Hey, Shafia, I will ask your kakak to jaga you to become the spy. Come on, Shafia. You can do this. Oh, Shafia has done it. Well done. For 1 day, you've done it. 11 days, Shafia. 11 days. Only Umaira has given for 11 days. Come on. Someone gave Izzat 11 days is not correct. 5 days already 2,000 Izzat. 11 days must be more than that. Come on. Husna Shafia, your first one 173 is not correct. Second one 573 is correct. Izzat, sorry, you have taken the wrong number. Take 573 and 11. Come on, 573 and 11. Cannot. So sorry. Shalina, well done for question A. What about Sheikh Akil? What about you, Sheikh Akil? Come on. Okay, very simple. Use your calculator. Okay, use your calculator because certain questions we need you to know the steps, and this is one of it. The calculation we do it later. Okay, yeah. Shalina, well done. Okay, so Shalina has come in second. First place goes to Umaira. Okay, don't play with her. Okay, Umaira, once she show off, habis. Okay, 5 days, 2865. 1 day, you just divide by 5 lah. Don't times 5, okay? It doesn't make sense that 5 days is so much, so many, and then 1 day is even more. Cannot. So this one you get 573. Well done. Those of you got this, well done. Now 11 days. Come on, Shafia and Izzat. How to do 11 days? Take 573 times 11. That's all. So now you will get 6303. But you see, if you try to type it in and still get the wrong answer, that means the setting on your calculator might be wrong. Check that the setting is D for dog, D for durian. Look at that. Show us again. Is it D? Oh, what is that? Okay, never mind. You must check. If let's say you key in the numbers 573 times 11, then you get funny answers. That means your setting in your calculator, you must check that the setting is D or DEG, either one. If the setting is wrong, when you key in, you get wrong numbers. Okay, make sure you change the setting.
Sir,
Yeah.
the writing is not clear.
What?
The writing is not clear.
My writing is not clear. Okay. This is 5 days, 2865. 5 days, 2865. You want to find 1 day. 2865 divided by 5. You find 1 day, which is 573. You want to find 11 days. 11 days, 573 times 11, 6303. Okay, the next round, inshallah, I'll try to write better. Okay, once a student say like that, means I must do penmanship worksheets. You all have penmanship worksheets next time? You do, right? I have to do it now because Shakil says my handwriting is horrible. Okay. All right, and I need to borrow some of Umaira's pencils in her pencil case. They're very nice. Okay, come. Let's try this one. Question number 4. Okay, I just write the comparison for you. And inshallah, Mr. Shakil, I'll write it as neatly as possible. So fast, who's that? Then they want you to find 15 eggs. So how to get it? You can find one first lah. You can find one first if you want to. They're asking you how much now. Let us see. Izzat very fast. Congratulations, Izzat. Izzat is using the laptop calculator. He says it's very good. But I do not know how you're going to bring that to your school. Cannot bring it, right? But good, Umaira, you got 1 egg. Well done. Now what about 15 eggs? Well done, Shafia. You got for 1 egg. They're asking now for 15 eggs. How much flour do you need? Well done, Umaira. Yes, 15 eggs, you need that amount. Well done. While we're waiting for the rest, do you know that the eggs that we eat, they are not fertilized? I think I ever told you this before, right? I went to Seng Chun farm. Those eggs are not fertilized. They can never become a baby. No matter how long the chicken sit on it, can never become a baby chick. You all know that, right? You don't know. If you get, cannot now. How come you get 4.6? How come you only divide by 15? Yes. Yes, Shakil.
10 eggs equals to 700.
Yes.
I need to find 1 egg.
Yeah. What? So what? Yeah. So you divide lah. 1 egg. You take 700 divide by 10. Okay. Divide by 10, right? Then after that, now you find 58. Okay, 7 egg. So far, everyone says 70. What about Shalina? Okay, Shalina, well done. Okay. So you can use this method, this comparison method. Sometimes you don't need to bring it to 1. I will show you in for some of the questions. Sometimes you don't need to bring it to 1. Okay, if you cannot use calculator, sometimes, if you bring it to 1, you might have decimals. So it's like this. You watch. This is now the comparison method. 10 to 1, you need to divide. Divide by 10. Oh, if I divide the left side by 10, I must also divide the right side by 10. So I divide by 10. Now, then what do? I want to find 15. So I got to, from 1 to 15, I must times by 15. I see. So 70, I must also times by 15. Can you see now? Miss Shafia can see now.
1050.
1050. Congratulations, Mr. Sheikh Akil. All right, 1050. So remember the process. You divide on here, you must divide on the right. You times on the left, you must times on the right. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Let us see whether you can do it. Okay. This one later. This one later. Oh, this one now. Kuma. This one is easy. Yeah. This one's easy. This one's easy. Yeah. This one you don't need to find 1 hour, 1 day. Okay. I think they already give you, right? How much he earns for 1 day. They even tell you how much he earns for 1 hour overtime. Overtime means extra hours. Sedikitnya. Shafia, so little lah. Cannot be lah, Shafia. Shafia, you must read the question carefully, Shafia. He already earns $60 on 1 day. If he work for 1 week, cannot be less, but so little. Can you imagine? You work $60 you get for 1 day. If you work for 5 days, it cannot be less, right? Will you work in such a place? Cannot be. Come on. Is that? Let me see whether you're right or not. Yeah. Shelina. Umaira. Okay. Umaira, Izzat have the same answer. Shelina has a different answer. Shafia has a different answer. What about GD? So we must understand first of all, there's 2 parts to working in a day. Okay. Let's say now you work in the day from 8 to 5, like 8 a.m. Let's say, yeah, to 5 p.m. Let's say. And this one you work, this one you get $60. Then after 5 p.m., every hour you get $5. Imagine. So you must add, to the thing. So let us see now. He works for 5 days. Okay, 5 days, how much can you get 5 days? Well, you get $60 times 5 lah. So you get 300. Okay, well done. Many of you got this part 300 already. This is for working for 5 days, not the overtime. Every day he worked 3 hours overtime. 1 hour is how much? 1 hour is $5. Good. How many hours did he work altogether in the 5 days? Every day 3. So if Monday he worked 3 hours, Tuesday 5 times 3. 5 times 3, yeah. You get 15 hours in the week overtime, So you must take 15 hours and not 3 hours. Those of you who say 315, Myra and Izzat, that means you say he only worked 1 day overtime. He says no. For each day he worked 3 hours. He worked for 5 days. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 hours. As Shakil says 15 hours. How do you get 15? 3 hours times 5 days. So 15 hours is how much? Ask yourself, 1 to 15, what do? You times by 15.
15 times 3.
15 times 5.
Oh.
15 times 5. Down here, because to the left you times by 15, right? You must also times by 15 down here. 15 times 3 is for 1 day. 15 times 3 is for 1 day. I'm calculating now 5 days, 1 shot. We can do your method also if you want to. So down here, how much you get? You get 75, right? Is it 15 times? You get 75, I think. Hold on, let me check. 15 times 5. 75. Now you must combine. Okay, Shalina, 300 plus 75. Total is $375. Now, if you're confused,
Sure.
yeah,
I thought right first 15 hours is equals to what? 5, right?
1 hour is $5. 15 hours, 15 times 5. Yeah?
I thought 15 come first, then 1 hour come.
What do you mean? 15 come first?
Like 5 unit equals to 6. Another 1 unit equals to 6 times 5.
Okay.
The one where it says per hour, and then 3 hours equals 15. That's what you meant.
3 hours equals 15. Oh, no. Okay. This one now, okay. We go step by step. We go step by step. Now I'm going to write down the days. This circle now, things are all the days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Every day he gets $60, correct? You agree, 60, 60, 60, 60. But this has got no overtime. Now, overtime means you're going to work extra hours. So when you add 60, 60, 60, you get 300. This is for 5 days, you get 300. Now let us see now. Every day he worked 3 hours overtime. Okay, we go 3 hours. 3 hours overtime. 1 hour is how much? $5. Down here now. 3 times 5, Shakil's method means you get $15 extra a day. So now down here I must write 15 also lah. 15, 15, 15, 15. Because 3 hours working, right? So down here how much you get? Extra, this one 300, $75. Can see now. You see down here now, this is daily gaji, no? It's gaji every day. 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 300. Then every day he work for 3 hours. 3 hours, 1 hour, $5. Every day you get $15. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15 is 75. You add together, you get 375. Are we okay? Shalina, you okay, Shalina? You understand, huh? You look bored, Shalina. Okay, yes. Okay, I hope you all get it. Umaira, you get it right, Umaira? Okay, well done. GD, you get it or GD? GD, Akil, you get it now? Yes, okay, good. Move on to the next one.
Sure, boleh.
Boleh. Okay, that means we got to try again later. Okay, now we try this one now. Now they want you to know. They're asking you, how many hours did he work or she work? Mrs. Xia, she. So I'll just draw the comparison for you. Okay, 8 hours, get 112. But the gaji that she get is not 112. The gaji she get is 168. That means she must work more hours. So how many hours did she work? They are asking you the question. How to find this? She says she will receive, not that she receive, she will receive this amount, 8 hours. So one way is to find out what is 1 hour lah. You find out 1 hour, later you take this, divide by the 1 hour. Then you can find the number of hours.
So is it 8 hour times 100 as well?
No. You must find 1 hour first. How you find 1 hour? 112 divide by 12. Divide by 8.
112 divided by 8 lah. Correct.
But you, not, just now you say times.
Oh, okay.
So down here you get $14. So you find out now. If she worked 1 hour, $14 until she get 168. So how many hours did she work? How many hours? Okay, we have someone now giving the answer. Let us see. Shalina. Is she correct? Let us see. Is it easy, Shalina? Easy again? Too easy.
Then per hour equals to 168 times 14.
No, 168 must divide by 14.
166 times 14. Can you use calculator?
Yes, yeah, please use calculator. Shalina, your answer, I don't think is correct. Do you take 168 divided by 14? Well done. No. Umaira, do you take 168 divided by 14? Unless my calculator's mode is... Oh, Shalina, you did. Yeah, you did. Okay, well done, Shalina. Sorry. Sorry, Shalina. I think I saw certain things wrongly. Well done, Shalina. Ken, are you okay? All okay now? How to do this? Just take 168. Don't times. Don't times. Shafia, you go in times. You know, berapa ratus hours cannot. Okay, so that means you are a little bit confused here. So now here we go, step by step. Now, this one is 112, correct? You want to find 1 hour. We do step by step. So now how to get 1 hour? 1 hour? You must divide by 8. You see? So Shafia, you must see what I'm doing. So you see, from 8 to 1, I must divide. So down here, I must also divide by 8 or so. Okay? So divide by 8, what do you get? You get $14. And then what? And then you want to increase this to 168. Times what? You must find out now, because now from small number become big, must times. How to find out the number to times? You can take 168 divided by 14. What do you get? You get 12, right? 12 times 14, you try now. 12 times 14, you get 168, you know. So you must times this by 12 or so. You must times by 12. Why? Because 14 times 12 you 168. So you must times by 12. So you get 12 hours. This is 12 hours. You must be able to see the pattern here. If you divide to get 1 hour, on the left you must divide also. Then you times, you have to times. Okay? We try, we try now. Next one.
Can I go toilet?
Go. But please come back, Now you try this one. I'm not going to show you, try. Wow, very fast quizzes. Let us see whether you're right, Shafia. Okay. So Shafia, you have found out how many bottles you can make in 1 minute. That's important. But cannot be 0.05 lah. Cannot be. There's something wrong there. Something, you do this method like that, Shafia. You write like that. 15 minutes, 750. Then you want to find 1 minute, right? What do? You do that. Do down here. I think you've done this part already. Then after that, you want 1,000 bottles. 1,000 here. This part you got to times. You must do the same thing on the left side. Shalina says that. Congratulations, Shalina. Well done. Cannot. Okay, down here, divide by 15. Sorry?
I don't know what to do.
Okay, come. Down here, watch, Okay, see, we see this one now. Shakil. 15 divided by 15 get 1 minute. You must find 1 minute first. How do you find 1 minute? 15 divided by 15 get 1. If you divide by 15 on the left side, you must also divide by 15 on the right side. 750 divided by 15 get 50. Then how? Then from 50 becomes 1,000. It must times one number. How to find this number? Take 1,000 divided by 50, you get answer. You get 20. Now you check. 50 times 20, you get 1,000, correct?
Just now I typed that, but then you never checked.
Really? Then you times by 20 here also. You get 20 minutes.
Yeah, I typed that.
Yes, I saw. Well done. So you must be able to see, in order to get 1, you divide by the same number here, 15. Then you must also divide by 15 here. Then you must times a number from 50 to get 1,000. They tell us it's 1,000. See, but times what number? I don't know. Take just the bigger number, divide by smaller number here. You will get your answer. Oh, you must times by 20. Then the left side, you times by 20, get 20 minutes. Okay, we try, next few, next few. Hold on.
There's no question where you own.
What? Just no question, man.
Nothing.
Those of you who are unsure, I write the steps for you. Okay, but I need to find my invisible pen. 16 square meters. They give you the relationship down here. 3, 6, 8. Then after that, you must find 1 square meter. You must know, otherwise how to find out? Then how much is it? Then after that, you must find $6 or $4. How do you get that? Okay, it's like that. A few of you have already finished. Okay, follow this method. Let us see who's it. Okay. So you found 1 minute. Now you must go to 644. Okay, good. So those of you who found 1 minute, really well done. You got the number here, right? You write the number here, then how to find times what to get 644? Take 644, divide by your answer, you get the number. 2 times. Then you times the left side, then you find it. Shalina know how to do? Yes, huh? Are you okay, Shalina? You look sad. Don't be sad, huh? Are you sad? No. Or maybe you're just growing, your face is a bit longer. And now I'm looking, see, I'm looking very clearly. Shafia, cannot, Shafia? Wow! Wow! Wow, that's a lot, huh? Cannot be, lah. Both you and Umaira have the same, and Shalina also have the same amount.
Sure.
Cannot be, lah. So big. Yes, yes, yeah.
I can't understand.
Okay, so we do now. That's why I need you to
mute one of
to
them. It's too noisy.
Yeah, his background is too noisy, yeah. But it's okay. Okay, come. We have a few minutes. I think come watch carefully, okay? All of you need to watch this because all of you no one gotten the right answer. Izzat can get on Izzat. From 16 to 1 square meter, you have to divide by 16. When you divide by 16 down here, you get $23. So 1 square meter costs $23. Okay, well done, Izzat. I saw that, but it's not yet completed. Now from 23, how to get 644? You take this number, you must times the number, right? 23 times something give you 644, right? So what is that number you got to find out? How to find that number? Take 644 divide by 23. What do you get? 644 divide by 23. What do you get? You get 28. So you must times 28 down here. Down here also must times 28. Can you see now? So 1 times 28 is 28 square meters. So 28 square meters costs 644. You found the answer already down here. You must be able to do it this way, okay? I'm showing you step by step how to do it. You divide on the left side, then you get this answer. And this answer, you got to time something to get a bigger answer. What? So how to find a number 2 times? Just take 644, divide by 23, you get times 28. Then times 28 on this side. Okay, Shakil, you must attend the 1-to-1 one. Okay, you must ask your mom to tell me which days you're free. Okay, otherwise, I don't know when, because you need some personalized attention. You see, so I will give you inshallah personalized attention, but I need to know which days you're free. Don't tell me now. Okay, we okay, we do this one first. I think those rest we do later, another day. Can you try this one? You must be able to write what I wrote just now. You try to write lah. Can you write on your own? Something down here, something down here. Then after go like that. This one be one something. I don't know what is this. Becomes something. Then after it becomes like that. There are six numbers, six blanks. No. The first one you need to fill in. So we can do 100 grams. How much is it? 85 cents. Okay, if you don't like decimal, put 85 cents like that. If you don't like decimal, you can put 85 cents. You want to find 1 gram? Can also. Okay, you can find 1 gram. What's the answer? In cents, this one is in cents. Then finally, you get 2125 grams. Cents. How much? First step, remember you got to divide. Divide by what? You know what? You must divide by the same thing. Then from here, you got to times. Times by what? Same like just now, the same steps. The same steps. You must also times by the same thing. Then you can get answer. Okay, let us see whether anyone got it. Umaira, sorry. Umaira, almost there, Umaira. Almost. Let me see. No, not almost, not almost. Umaira, I'm stuck. Oh, sorry. I'm looking at the wrong one. Shafia, no. So now how to do? Divide by what? Okay, you tell me divide by what here to get 1 gram. 100, correct? So use your calculator, divide by 100. If you want to change to 1 first, divide by 100. This was normally divide 100 by 100, get 1. So you divide by this, what do you get? You divide 100 or so? What do you get? You get 0.85 cents, not even 1 cent. So now times what? Okay, you take this number, divide by 0.85. You get 2,500. So you must times by 2,500. So you times down here by 2,500 lah. Okay, you must times by 2,500. Then you get 2,500 grams. But I think I've lost you all. So the answer is 2,500, but they want to answer in kg, you see. Change it to kg, divide by 1,000, you get 2.5 kg. Okay, so if you're lost, I'm going to give you my own question, okay? That will be the last question. It's almost time already, but we are at rate, We are at rate. So there's always three steps, So you must practice that. Who is this coming in now? Shalina, almost there. Okay, it's 2.5. So, okay, so now here we go. You try, okay? We have to do this. You have to do this. Let this be your last one, okay? 5 kg. $10. Let's say you bring it to 1 kg and then want to find 7 kg. Okay, how to do? You do how to do? You see, you bring it to 1 kg, divide by what? You divide. Then you must also divide by the same thing.
Oh my God, so
then down here you times, correct? Times by what? 1 kg to 7 kg times by 7. Do the same thing times by 7. Okay, we will do this one next week. We'll go through more detail lah. Myra, do you get enough sleep, Myra? You have dark circles around your eyes. Why is that so? You're playing computer game at night. Izzat, congratulations, Izzat. Can see, not? You're able to see. Okay, we're going to end soon. Okay, don't worry. Okay, what about Miss? What's her name? Shalina, well done. So Shalina, you understand this comparison method, right? Okay, we will go through in more detail next week. Okay. All right, so I'm going to show you now. So 5, how do you get divide by 5? 5 divided by 5 get 1. So you divide by 5 also, here you get $2. Then from 1 kg to 7, you times by 7. Now here you also times 7, you get 14. Finish. Next week, we are going to focus on this. I will make sure that you master this whole thing, okay, inshallah. All right, so make sure you attend, okay, next week. Come early lah. All right then. Assalamualaikum. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.